All right, working on the water issue that is going inside the passenger floorboard of this Ford Taurus X. And this could be the same on tons of different Ford, Lincoln, Mercury models as far as what I'm looking at here. This drainage port right down there was severely clogged. As you can see, all this debris that just blew out of it. I got a long screwdriver. You know, get you a really long screwdriver or something like that, and you're going to poke down in there, you know, that port right there at the bottom. You're going to have to notice I've got the screwdriver down in there like that. You're going to have to poke down in there and break up that collected debris, and there's going to be a bunch of it. Break it up in there, and then if you've got, you know, a compressed air gun or a strong leaf blower, you're gonna have to blow it all out from there, because notice, look at all this debris that just came out of there, and all I did was hit it with the compressed air gun just a little bit. So we're gonna have to blow all that out. Then you can take your garden hose and spray it down in there where the screwdriver is and just free all that up, because it is a mess. And then the same thing, you know, maybe get a brush where you see those leaves right there on the left, you know, maybe a light brushing. Just clean all this debris out. Be careful, because there's a screen right there. You don't want to damage it, but, you know, just clean everything out from this area. This little trough right here, see this trough? This is where the water comes down from the windshield, spills off into here, and then it's supposed to go out of that port right there. And I'm sure there may be another hole in there as well. So just make sure that any drainage holes are free of blockage. And when you spray water in there, you should see it come out the bottom of the car. But what was happening is that drain was so blocked that when it rained, water would fill up this little chamber and then spill into the air conditioning vent air intake. Then it ends up on the floorboard of the passenger side. So that's what's happening. Check out my previous video. You know, it's not that difficult to take this cowling off here. You do have to remove the windshield wiper arms there and there. So I've got a previous video on that. Not that big a deal. It's pretty self-explanatory. And so we're going to just clean her out and get her back together. So this is a 2008 Ford Taurus X, which will be the same 0809 Ford Taurus, Mercury Sable, some Lincoln models. But tons of different cars have the same general setup of the water drainage on the passenger side right there. All right, there you go. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of other stuff that can help you. See y'all.